Hello, today's February 21st, 2021, and I just wanted to make a quick video with everybody, about how to generate passive income, by day trading. Generally, I have 2 or 3 little main rules about day trading that, that help me make, a decent income every week. I can make at least 5% on my trades is what I try to aim for, but, the first thing is always, try not to lose money, no matter what. The most important thing is to, have a watch list ready that, I usually have about 15 to 20 stocks on, and I usually, I usually watch and see, which one of these stocks, have been, which ones are up and which ones have news about them. If I go through my little Watchlist app, and I can see which stocks, I can check the news, see if there's any catalyst, that's driving the price up on the stocks for the week. And generally on the weekends like this, I like to check and just go through and see what the range was for each stock for the week, and then I can get a better understanding of what I want to do on Monday. What price I can place my bid at, and what price I'm going to sell at. That there's the second most important thing, is to always have everything. I like to write everything down on a piece of paper. I have my entry point ready and my exit. So it's like the stocks trading at, say, like OCGN, it's at 10.93. Well, it traded all week long between $10 and $11.70. Well, it's just like, this coming week, I need to know, Monday morning, what price I want to buy in at. Where am I comfortable, buying in at, and then also if it goes down, what price I'm going to go ahead and sell at. That way I don't get my emotions already involved. So that way it's already written down, it's planned out, and it's already going to, I already know what I'm going to do, and it's nothing that's impulsive that's going to cost me money, that I'm going to look back and later regret. I give myself the best chance of making money if I've already thought things out, and just basically, if I sit there and I compare all my stocks and decide which one gives me the best chance of making the most profit on it. I see which one has the most potential out of the 15 or 20 stocks, and I'll narrow it down to 3 or 4 for Monday morning. Also, it's always important to take your profits, and I always like to reinvest my profits instead of just I'll wait till, say, maybe Friday before I'll take profits or anything. I always like to reinvest, whatever money I make day trading Monday, Monday through Thursday. I'll just keep letting it build in my account. And then Friday, if I want to take anything out, I'll take it out then. And generally, I try not to take anything out unless I just have to, because I'd rather just leave it in there and let it keep building. But for the most part, I try to have a 5%. I try to make 5% on the trade. If I can't see myself making 5% on that particular trade, then I'll go ahead and pass on it, because there's 1,000 stocks out there that are either, that are continuing to make gains like that, making between 5 and 15% easy every day. Things don't always work out the way you want it to when you're day trading, but you can at least give yourself the best chance of success by looking at at where these stocks been trading at the past week. Also, if you just see the range, that each stock's been been the highs and lows basically from the previous 5 days, it gives you a better place. I get a better idea of where I want to buy in at. And personally, I just take what's there. I mean, there's a lot of times when I want to make 5% or 6% or more on a trade, but I'll go ahead and take that 3% that day. And by the end of the week, I've made 10% or 10 or 15%. It adds up. If you just take what's there every day, at the end of the week you've made 10%, and that's not bad. That's a pretty good week. Also, another thing I like is I've got the Webull app. Is I always like to check to see which stocks are going to be the big percentage gainers. Like I get up at 4:30 every morning, and I look at the pre-market and Webull app. It's got all which stocks are up. The top, say 5 or 10. I look at them and I write down what prices they're at 4:30, and that gives me a better idea of what to trade them at. What price I want to buy at, say at say around 7 o'clock when the market opens for most people. A lot of times the price gets pumped up right before 7 o'clock, and I don't really pay much attention to what a stock's trading at at say 7 o'clock or wherever. I'm looking at 4:30. If the price is within the same range, I'll try to bid around the same price that the institutions paid at 4:30 in the morning. And a lot of times that there will lead to an easy 5 or 10% in just a matter of seconds. You can make your money that quick. You can be in and out in under 10 minutes of day trading. It don't take long at all. Also, but one thing that I like to mention, if you're day trading the percentage gainers, always be careful, because they can, just as quick as they went up in price, they can come crashing right back down. I always like to check the Webull app 2 or 3 times a day just to see, which stocks. I check it in the morning, I check it midday, and I check it, right before the market closes. Because a lot of times you'll catch a stock that's just had a new catalyst that's just came out, and it's going to be surging up 25, 50, or even 100% or more. And it's nice to always catch one while it's rising up, and you can make as much as you can in 1 month in a day. If you just if you time it right and you catch the stock on on the while it's gaining price. Also, another thing that also watch that helps you is you got to watch the timing of stocks. Personally, I like day trading Tesla, and for Tesla, day trading in the pre-market's always been good to me, just because it's a very popular stock. You can make your money in, like I said, the first 5 or 10 minutes, because that stock's you can sell the hype, and make a decent profit. And then there's other stocks like, say, Blink, BLNK, and NIO, NIO. It's better to day trade those, in my opinion, right after the market opens. Somewhere between the first 30 minutes to the hour. It's the most heavily traded time. You can make 5 to 15%. If you're patient enough. But there's 6 stocks that I want to watch, that they're on my watch list this week, that I believe that you can make a nice profit off of day trading. The first one's MGI. It's up 32.93% in the past 3 months. It's It's currently valued at $10.93, and I'm gonna try to buy in around $10.50, and then sell it as soon as it hits around 11. You know. Also, there is SNDL. You know, SNDL is up over 507% in the past 3 months. It's currently trading at $1.53 a share. If it's dropping Monday, I'm gonna try to get in at around $1.30 a share. You know, but if it's going higher on Monday morning, you know, $1.53, you know, that's fine with me. I know I can buy in. You know, $1.53 is still plenty of room to make a nice profit. I mean, it could go over $2 easily. You know, Tesla, which I've already mentioned earlier, it's one of a favorite stock of mine to day trade. You know, it's currently at, you know, $782.50. Anytime, you know, Tesla falls below 800, that's a good time, in my opinion, to buy. You know, I believe Tesla can easily go over 850 or higher. The next one's ticker symbol ZOM. It's up over 1,500% in the past 3 months, and I'm waiting for a ZOM to have a red day so I can buy back in. I believe that, you know, it'll be trading somewhere between 225 and 250 this week, and I'm definitely going to trying to buy some ZOM if it has a red day. Number 5 on this week is Fuel Cell. It's up over 233% in the past 3 months, and I personally believe the stock's going to continue to go higher. I'm trying to get it, you know, to buy in. If it falls below $20, I'm definitely buying as many shares as I can. It's currently at $20.63 a share. And the last one is OCGN. It's the stock I've made the most money on this past week. It's definitely a stock I want to get back into, and if I can get it for around $10 a share, you know, I'm going to buy as many shares as I possibly can buy. It has the potential for, you know, surging up in price at any time. It went as high as $11.70 this past week, and it's currently at $10.96. So if it falls, you know, I'm definitely buying in on that one, because, like I said, it's just like ZOM and SNDL. It's a stock that can probably double in value very easily. So it's something I'm gonna definitely have on my watch list, and will hopefully be able to make some money off of this week. If this video's helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate everyone watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Hope everyone has a very profitable week this week. Best of luck to everyone out there. Thanks.